Hey, this is Rush. Let's add some products to our store. So let's click on products right here. There are two methods that we can use to add products. We can either add products using our Chrome extension. So this will allow us to, find the product that we want to add and add it to our Chrome extension. But also, if you have the build plan, you can find winning products using our Nexus Explorer. I'm going to go through both methods. Let's start off with the Chrome extension method, right? So if you haven't installed our Chrome extension yet, just click on Chrome extension. It will take you to Sell the Trend, and here it says remove, but obviously if you haven't installed it yet, it will say add to Chrome. You click on this button right here, and this will add our Chrome extension. So what will our Chrome extension allow you to do? It will allow you to add products directly from AliExpress or even CJ Dropshipping. Let's go to AliExpress right now and add a product to our store. So we're on AliExpress right here. Let's put kitchen, since our store is all about kitchen. And let us just pick any random product here. Let's add this product right here. Let's add this product right here. So it says adding to product to import list. And then it says product added to import list, go to list. Let's click on that button, which will take us to our import list. And as you can see here, the product now is already sitting in our import list. And then we are ready to add this product. Let's click on this add to store. So this is our push to store page right here. And this is going to allow us to add this product directly from AliExpress into our shop. As you can see here, we can select images. We can modify this description right here that we see on the left, as well as we already have the supplier connected. So what's so great about this is that this is going to already connect us with that supplier on AliExpress. And once we get to the point where we are getting sales for this product and we want to get the automatic order fulfillment and the automatic shipping and all that other stuff that Sell the Trend shops will give you, everything's connected for you. You don't have to go out and get it, connect the supplier, contact them, ask them for prices. Everything's already all provided for you here. We also even have ratings for each supplier, and that tells us that this is actually a pretty good supplier. Their shipping speed is pretty good, their communication is pretty good, and obviously the item is going to arrive exactly as described in their listing. Now I'm going to rush through this because we already have a great tutorial right here in the top right hand corner that goes into detail of exactly how to use this page, and it's pretty good in-depth tutorial. So I'm not going to go through this right now. We're just going to add this product really quickly to our shop so we can just kind of show you the process of how to add products using Sell the Trend. But you can check out the tutorial here in the top right hand for all the details. So now we have our information set up here. Let's click on push to store. And it's going to take only a couple of seconds here to add this product to our shop. And it's ready. So let's now take a look at this product and how it looks on our shop. Right there. So this is how it looks like. It is exactly untouched, exactly how it's arriving. And now we have a product page set up. So let's go through now and show you the other method of how to find products that are actually making sales directly from our Nexus database. So let's click on products over here. So this is the Nexus Explorer, which is how Sell the Trend first built its name and reputation for being able to show our customers the hottest winning products really before anyone else. So this Nexus database of products, along with the Nexus product research window, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is basically your one-stop shop to the best trending products around the world. These products have allowed some of our members to achieve thousands of dollars per month in sales. So there is serious gold in these products. So the first thing actually I like to do here is I like to change this here from surprise me to Nexus highest, because this is going to show me all the best products right at the top. Now, we also need to filter by the niche, right? Our store is in the kitchen niche. So let's go over here and let's select kitchen. And this is now going to show us a bunch of trending products in the kitchen niche. And I'm going to just choose any product here. This looks really interesting. Let's look at actually on the product research and see how this product is performing. So this is our Nexus product research. We're going to get a lot of data about this product, but this video is really not about the Nexus product research. It's about adding products. So I will let you kind of investigate the Nexus product research on your own. It's really easy to do by clicking on explain data here. And this gives you an entire video that describes everything about this page. But let's quickly just look at this product and see that it's actually doing really well in terms of sales. We can see the orders here. It's on an upward trajectory here, and it's doing very good. So let's add this product to our store. Let's click on add to store. What's so cool about adding products from our Nexus database is that you're going to be able to see a lot of different product descriptions. So you can see how other top dropshippers are really selling these products. So if I click on the different product descriptions here, you're going to see here on the left a different product description. I can keep clicking on all these different stores in the top here, and you can see different product description as well. And we're going to also see the images that you're using, right? So we have a great video that discusses exactly how to write amazing product descriptions. But right off the bat here, you're going to see a lot of great ones here. So let's actually stick with this one right here. And let's select some images here. And let's click on push to store. So now that we have our product, we can click on view again, and we're going to see right here, it looks really good. Great title. We can see the description here, and we can see our other product that we already added right at the bottom here. So let's go back now and do one more thing that is really going to take this page to the next level. We can click on my product here. So we can see the list of the products that we've added already to the store. So we can see our 2 products over here. Let's do one more thing that is really going to add that last finishing touch to our product page. Let's add real customer reviews to these products.